I just walked 20 minutes in the wrong direction to a venue. It's on the other side. This is the beaches. That's beach time. Out here in Kanagawa, Kamakura, Samukasu Beach. And it's gonna be a movie. So I get to go the wrong direction. I'm tired. I was out last night. You know my style. So yeah, this is the beach. Alright guys, so I'm at the beach in, where the hell am I? Kanagawa. And yeah, it's gonna be, I mean, the beach is a beach, you understand me? It's a beach day out here chilling like a villain. I wanna ask some questions. Wow. Look at these real beach babes. Wow. Anyway, you see when Jamaican they boat, them have to fill them belly when them go. Mama tell them eat before them come on the road. Watch the boss. Pernism. Hi. Hi Pernism. How you doing? You love the finger coils? Finger coils on the legs, so the top influenza. The influenza. Yeah. I don't know, say without it, it's a beach day, isn't it? Once whichever go a beach. I'll be here people know, isn't it? But 3 Jamaican and 1 next brother.
Yeah, well, you have to come out with the steam fish and okra, buddy, you know.
Well, mine is just a steam fish. The little potato and pumpkin, them stuff, something there. Yeah. So it's not, you know, I mean, I'm here with Evans Masuko, the comedian from Kenya, and he is running the This Is Japan thingamajiggy that's going on viral. Every time he posts, it goes viral.
He's coming on soon. We have an episode with him coming on soon. Yeah. Once he becomes less busy.
Yeah, so you know the vibe right now. We're at the beach. Yeah. How you feel?
I feel good, man. It's summertime, man. So I feel like I'm in Kenya.
Yeah, I feel like it in Jamaica too. But you know what it is. They say Japanese really can take something from outside the shop and drink on the beach, but the beach is free.
But the vibes are great. Vibes are great. Yeah, we outside, baby. We outside.
Thank you. No more.
I forget what I like. Your thing on me hypnotizing. Put me overnight.
Hey, focus!
Eye on the prize.
Hey, your eyes should be here. Hey, your eyes should be here. Man, them say your eyes should be here right now. Then focus. Wah. What you doing? get to me as I'm living.
Trouble.
Tokyo, Kamakura, yeah, today, yeah. Yo, guys, honestly, they're gonna shut us down if we misbehave. So let's do what we can do, eh? Let's do what we can do. Sound, we might turn the music a little bit down or something like that. Please cooperate with us, eh? This is the first time we're doing this. So please, we need your support on this, eh? Yeah, so it is what it is, eh? But we're still here until 8, eh? So, yo, party la fiesta. Yo, Yonaguni's in the house, eh? Yonaguni's here. Yonaguni's here. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. We're gonna have live performances soon, eh? Yo, thank you, my brother, the artist from Ghana. Look at this brother, buy his stuff, eh? Yo, I'm not a performer, eh? Tokyo, Kamakura. Come on, brother. Reese peasy. All right, guys, we're gonna play the dance, eh? Reese, okay, how we doing it?
I'm feeling, I just wanna taste it. Got the feeling you don't wanna wait.
Reese, show us that. Yes.
Wanna body, listen to your body. I want to get on
Reese.
like the way you
He's here.
Girl, I really like the way you Girl, I really like the way you call me, baby.
Thank you, my brother.
Cause I'm doing on purpose, baby.
Hey, Jamaica, where you at?
I move like this for you to watch me. I want my dress for your team. I want you to be here.
What about here? What are we doing, like? Ladies, we're gonna What about over here? Yo, Champara. I got some Champara. Yo, Champara.
You're in your soul time, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all. Believe it, when you forget up all.
I see you, woman. Come on.
This time for this time for Africa. Cause this is Africa. This time for Africa.
Here we go, right now. Hit the beach, sunny down, on the part of the right way, understand? All the beautiful ladies are in the party, let's go. Here we go. Oh, yeah, we all here to have a good time.
Waka waka hey.
Samina, mina, sakalewa. This time for Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakalewa. This time for Africa.
Hey, everybody does up. Hey, hey, what's the dance now? Everybody does up. What is it? Show them. Crazy like crazy, 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 crazy. All right, say, balance now. Show them now. Show them now. Show them now. Hey, yeah, baby. Here we go, right now. Over here to whole stage. Let's go. If we don't dance, formation, let's go.
Jerusalem, Ikayalami, Ilondoloze,
All right, let's go.
Ambenami, Zungangishilana, Jerusalem, Ikayalami, Ilondoloze, Ambenami, Zungangishilana. I'm a perfect came from Brooklyn times. Look into my eyes, see this and sacrifice. This is on my mind, stressing to survive.
Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say
Yo, Kamakura, where you at?
Roll down, yo, you sweet life, fan down. If I tell you, say I love you,
No, Shamalot, hey. Baby dog, give me a Where is the volley? Where is the volley? Hey, beach volley, beach volley.
Follow the vibe, follow the vibe, follow the hits, follow the smoke, follow the moves, follow the ride, follow the vibe, follow the
Hey!
Roll with me, stroll with me, flow with me, follow me, my no kid.
I'm not gonna play the audio. Get me high, get me high, get me high. Let's go. Turn me up. And if you got a drink, gotta push it up right now. If you hold a drink, push it up right now. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Guys, hey, hey. My drink in the. We want to get high. We want to get high. All night we will be alright. We will be alright. Turn me up. We want to get high. We want to get high. All night we will be alright. We'll be alright. Yeah, you ready? Every day is a holiday, even if the money may really not come. We not hear what they really say. Me and my people chilling and we not done. Table full of any yeah. DJ play my song. Put up on a finger in the air if you really don't care. This is the lifestyle, so we drink until we lock up. Hey, smoke until we fuck up. You know we tell we say we time up. Next year we will tell again. Turn me up, we won't forget. We won't forget. All night we will be alright. We will be alright. We won't forget. Won't forget. Go up, we won't forget. We'll be yeah. We are gonna tell it. 95. Hey, 24/7. Not doing anything for yourself. No smoke, no gas. Just to go heaven, life's not here. And we coming right here. Tomorrow you are gone, not there, but I'm not here. And I really don't care. So flexing on me Benz anyway. Pull up. So we drink up, pull up for me. We have so much money to give you, but if you're not dancing, you're supposed to be in that. If you're not dancing, you're supposed to be in that. So either you move that way, or you come this way and shake some ass for me. You understand? Give me the next tune, brother. Hey. Get close. So they play up on the streets and now they give them bad. Every time we come around them, they show you. So we connect and now we got the hot spot. And the last person where they form and get them gun. Girl is different, so go and buy me. Have to get one in a minute, so me never not try young God. She not fi bust it up, wife can't ride me, so she have to go along. Try me, I go find me everything. Anytime we be ready, and the one we call me, yeah, they call me king already. Because we do it like a beast, we not gonna like me. Tougher boy, bells, stopper, you know, sweetheart, you suffer, you know. But the dribbles got $1 million, papa me ma. Try to take away my food, so we pull the trigger. Leave like one click, and we still a leader. If only God, they just listen, I'm on a mission. If you bring us where you're wishing. And if you get the chance to listen what is written for me life, I bet you go no my well. Big shouts to the bird. Yeah, just a little young guy on the rise just to find my shine. Well, it could be nice if you find it. Freestyle the vine and you smile and you post the wine time.
Whoa.
Wow, that was amazing. Wow, what's happening here? Wow.